Let's dive into the fascinating world of sentence structures, focusing on the first type, the simple sentence. A simple sentence is a fundamental building block of language. It consists of a subject, a verb, and it conveys a complete thought. You might also hear it referred to as an independent clause. Let's break this down. The subject is who or what the sentence is about, while the verb tells us what the subject is doing. For example, take the sentence, I am a student. Here, I is the subject and am is the verb. Together, they express a complete idea. Now, let's look at another example. I can speak English. Again, I is the subject and speak is the verb. This sentence is straightforward and clear, providing us with a complete thought without any extra fluff. Consider the sentence, Nick opened the door. In this case, Nick is the subject, and opened is the verb. It tells us exactly what Nick did, and there's no ambiguity. Next up is, he ate her lunch. Here, he serves as the subject, and ate is the verb. This sentence is simple yet effective, delivering a clear message without any additional clauses or conjunctions. Now, let's analyze they are having pizza for dinner tonight. In this sentence, they is the subject, and are having is the verb. It's a complete thought that informs us about their dinner plans, again without any unnecessary complexity. Lastly, we have Mom cooked dinner. Mom is the subject, and cooked is the verb. This sentence is direct and to the point, illustrating the action performed by the subject. What's important to note about simple sentences is that they do not contain conjunctions at the beginning or end. They stand alone as complete thoughts. This simplicity is what makes them so powerful. They can convey information clearly and effectively, making them essential in both spoken and written communication. When constructing a simple sentence, remember these key elements. Start with a subject, follow it with a verb, and ensure that the sentence expresses a complete thought. Avoid adding conjunctions or additional clauses, as that would transform it into a different type of sentence. In summary, simple sentences are the backbone of effective communication. They are straightforward, easy to understand, and allow us to share ideas clearly. By mastering simple sentences, you lay the groundwork for more complex sentence structures that we'll explore later. But for now, appreciate the beauty and clarity of a well-crafted simple sentence.